Hey guys, I'm showing you how to stop your Minecraft from lagging. So the first thing with cause lagging is sometimes you put some mods in your mods folder and that's gonna make your Minecraft laggier. So if you don't use those mods, you can of course delete them and it's gonna be really cool and you're gonna stop reducing from lags. And the next thing what you need to do, go to your options, video settings, and type everything to low. I'm gonna put render distance for 8 chunks, max frame rates. I'm gonna put to 18. View bobbling is gonna be off. Brightness body, particles all. I think that's not gonna change anything. Graphics put to low. Fast. Put to fast. Smooth lighting minimum off. 3D analyze, and that should help you a little bit. So if it doesn't help you guys, then probably your computer has some stuff. You need to buy a new one, or just it's full with viruses and they're slowing your computer down. So yeah, thank you for watching today, guys. Be sure to subscribe, like, and yeah, goodbye.